Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh and today video topic is helpless without electricity. Electricity is a force of powering modern civilization and has integrated into every aspect of our lives from lighting our home to fueling technology advancement. Our dependence on electricity profound. However, the stark reality for millionaires around the world is a life without the virtual resources. This easy to explore the challenges and powerful impact on living being in our world. Divide and electricity scheduling light on the struggle faced by the who find themselves following are the impact when electricity is not. The global perspective around the global perspective, many people still live without access to electricity, predominantly developing regions. The absence of electricity, existing social economic challenges, healthcare and economics development in remote area, the lack of electrification, prospective cycle of poverty that is challenges educational impact, the absence of electricity poses a significant barrier of education. Students in the region without reliable power source often find themselves studying in their environments or restoring the outlets and intelligent time. Not only strain their eyes but also the limit study light time. The precision and plating reasons the lack of electricity also happen. The integration of modern teaching, not use the smartphones and other way. Healthcare challenges, the impact of living without electricity on healthcare, the profound hospital medical facilities areas without access to zero power source challenges. Cooperative shortage of life-saving vaccine and medicine. The surgeons become without proper lighting and equipment method give into a darkness face increases risk to medical professional and also patient. Economic impact, the absence of electricity is harmful for economics development, creating a cycle of poverty that are difficult to break. Industry development, energy intensive processing struggle, a corrupted globally small business and face challenges and maintaining consistent operations, decrease productivity without the power of electricity, communities remain trapped in cycle of poverty. Progress. Fourth one is the environmental impact. While a lack of electricity poses significant challenges, therein environment impact associated with the absence of electrification, communicate without access of electricity, often really a traditional non-electric energy source such as wood, cooling, heating and contribution are indoor pollution and results many impact on economics. They are more production is very less without electricity. Social impact, electricity is a modern communication technology. The absence of electricity limits the access of communication tools. Social connectivity in a integrates world when a social media and online platform facilities and communication without electricity are very communication gap face of isolation affecting their ability to engage with global community. Impact on information access. Living without electricity reflects access to information, creating knowledge gaps. Libraries, educational institute, and online resources rely on electricity on for operation in a region without consist of power. Individual drainage equal access of educational material and limiting the ability of acquire culture culture limitation. Electricity play a crucial role in our culture and our activities. Communities without access to electricity may struggle. A presence of culture practices and early to modern technology struck advanced recording available. Many components are not useful use in without electricity. Agri- Agriculture productivity and food security. The impact of electricity absence of extend to agriculture, a sector crucial for law for electrician limit use of modern agriculture machines, affect on productivity. Refrigeration essential for preventing a good become a luxury. Growth in regions when your agriculture is water is not supplied properly. Impact on small businesses. Small businesses in the region without consist of power face numerous challenges. Retail establishment, manufacturing units and service provide struggle to operate efficient without reliable electricity. Businesses may additional cost for alternative power source affecting providing and pending economic growth and grassroots level. Psychology and mental health impact. Living without electricity can have profound psychological impact on individuals and communities. The absence of adequate lighting, drains, and dark hour may contribute feeling of insecurities. Limited access to entertainment and recreational activities can lead to a breakdown and stress. Addressing the mental health aspect, living without electricity crucial for overall well-being. Environmental conservation challenges. While the lack of electricity poses environmental challenges due to a resilience, traditional energy source and waste of electrification itself introduce conservation concern, balancing the need of development with the environmental prevention. It is a dedicated task. Prioritize environmental consideration. Impact on urban and rural disparities. Disparity in access to electricity often stack and contrast between the urban and rural areas. Urban areas typically enjoy the more reliable and extensive electrification, foresting economics opportunity, a better living, stable bridge, and urban electrification gap is crucial for and also same as the rural area. This is all the impact of all conclusion is living without electricity more than the incomes is a previous and manipulation challenges affect every aspect of our life for handling education and healthcare, impact in economics development and perspective, social inequities, absence of electricity casts a long term shadow and communities around the world as negative a complex landscape of global development. It is a are more challenges faced without electricity through collaborative efforts innovative solution